Go.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Adam from MarineMax Lake Wylie. Thanks for joining me. We're going to take a quick look at this beautiful 2021 Starcraft SVX 171. As you can see, to start off with, this does have the fishing package. So you've got your chairs aft as well as on the bow, and it does come with a live well. We'll take a closer look at that in a minute. This is going to be a high-level overview. If you want to know more information, please don't hesitate to give me a call at 803-831-2101. All right, come on. So to start off with, we've got our 90 horsepower Yamaha motor. Plenty of power to use the ski tow. This is going to be your battery switch back here, and your stowable ladder. I'm going to duck under your retractable bimini. This comes all the way out up to the bow, so you've got plenty of shade throughout. From your helm here, your captain's chair is going to have the bolster seating, so if you do want to stand up while you're parking or whatnot, you've got plenty of opportunity to do that. It's kind of tough to see all your switches and options here, but you've got a beautiful lighting package here. You also, again, for your live well, there is switching here for the live well, your audio controls, and then your hummingbird system here with navigation, chart plotter, and all the fun stuff. Coming forward, we've got our in-floor storage under each seat, port and starboard. This is going to be your live well here, and our second fishing chair. Separate anchor locker here, lots of storage throughout this boat. Again, my name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. I hope to hear from you soon. And again, the number is 803-831-2101. Thanks and have a great day.